Getting a tax identification number or tax ID or TIN is a key step in formalizing your business in Nigeria. In my last video, I covered how the Federal Inland Revenue Service issued tax ID works, especially for structured businesses filing corporate taxes. If that's what you need, check out that tutorial. The link is in the description. If you're a sole trader, you're a freelancer, you're an online marketer, or you run a small business, the JTB-issued Tax ID is what applies to you. The JTB-issued Tax ID is designed to unify both the state and federal tax system, making it ideal for personal income tax and anyone doing informal businesses. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply and verify your JTB Tax ID step by step, right from your mobile phone or on PC. Now let's get into it. The Federal Inland Revenue Service issued Tax ID is issued automatically after you register your business name or company name. But for the JTB Tax ID, you have to apply manually. To apply, go to this page, jtb.gov.ng/apply for TIN. Now you see the individual tax ID link and then the non-individual link. I already covered the individual tax ID in another video. Click on the non-individual link. Select your business registration type. In my case, I'm going to select business name, but of course we have these other options. Select any option that applies to you. Now enter your CSU registration number. Include the RC before the number. JTB will fetch your business records. Click Next, and JTB will open the full application form. Now fill in your business details, same information you supplied when you registered your business and what you have on your approved CAC certificates. Your phone number, email address, date of commencement and incorporation, nature of business, the sector, the line of business, then business address, then personal address, then the contact details. Once completed, check this box and then click Submit to submit the form. You will receive a confirmation email. Go to your email and now you have a confirmation email. Now you have to wait for the approval. Approval can take weeks or even months depending on your state tax office and of course the volume of requests, so you just have to be patient. You can apply for the individual tax ID by going back to this page and then click on the individual link and apply for that. The individual one gets approved faster than the non-individual one. So it might take a while, you just have to be patient. Once approved, your business tax ID certificate will be sent to your registered email like this. Now you can click on it, download it, print it out and use it whenever your tax ID is required. Now after getting your tax ID, the next step is to confirm and verify it. To verify it, go to this page, tinverification.jtb.gov.ng. Enter your date of birth or date of incorporation. Choose a search method. You can choose BVN, NIN, tax ID or phone number. Here enter the value of the selected search method and click Search. If successful, you will see Verified successfully along with your business details on the right. And that's it. You are done. Now you have a business tax ID and you are now tax compliant. If you have any questions or you run into any issues or you want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I read and I respond to everyone. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.